Hi everyone! In this video I'm gonna show you how to crochet this Christmas tree. This could be a lovely decoration for your house in this Christmas season. Subscribe to us if you like our video. And check our shop to find out more crochet projects. These are the materials we need. Part 1. Trunk. Let's crochet the trunk first. Wrap yarn around your hand. Make a slip knot first. Then, chain 5. Work into the second chain from the hook. Single crochet here. Keep single crocheting in the following 3 chains. After that, chain 1 and turn the piece around. Make 4 single crochets. Chain 1 and turn it around. Repeat the sequence and make 6 rows in total. This is our finished work. Fasten off in the end. Then, make 1 more of the same trunk. We don't need to fasten off this time. Stack 2 pieces of trunks together. Chain 1 and single crochet around the 2 trunks. The stitches might not be as clear as usual, so there is no specific number of times to do the single crochet. You just need to follow the track. You can increase the stitches when you meet the corner. You can hide the threads in the trunk. Slip stitch in the first stitch at the end. Fasten off and weave in the end. We finished the trunk. Part 2. Tree. Take the green yarn. Wrap yarn around your hand. Make a slip knot first. Then, chain 14. Work into the second chain from the hook. Single crochet 13 times. We finished row 1. Chain 1. Turn the work around. Make a decrease first. Then make 9 single crochets. After that, make another decrease stitch. Chain 1 and turn it around. Follow the pattern and finish the rest 3 rows by yourself. This is the first layer of the tree. Fasten off. Put it aside. Take the yarn and restart it with a slip knot. Chain 3. Then, hold the finished piece with your non-dominant hand. Here is where we did the fasten off. Work hook into the last stitch of the piece. Make a slip stitch. Slip stitch in the following 4 stitches. After that, chain 4. Work into the second chain from the hook. Single crochet here. Single crochet all along the way until the last chain. Then, chain 1, and turn it around. Make a decrease first. Then single crochet 7 times. And make another decrease in the end. Chain 1 and turn the work around. Follow the pattern and finish the rest part by yourself. We finished the second layer of the tree. Break the yarn and fasten it off. Like before, restart it with another slip stitch. Chain 3. Slip stitch 3 times in the last row of the second layer. Chain 4. Work back from the second stitch and make 9 single crochets. Follow the pattern and finish row 2 to 4 by yourself. For the last row, work hook into each stitch, yarn over and pull through every time. There are 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, and pull through all of them. Fasten off in the end. We need to make 2 pieces of the work to create a Christmas tree. We are gonna crochet the 2 pieces of fabric together, and sew the trunk to it during the process. Stack the 2 works together. Take the green yarn. Pinch yarn to the back of the fabric. You can start from any stitch around the work. I'm gonna start from this corner. Insert hook into 2 parallel stitches of the 2 works. Yarn over and pull through. Chain 1. You can hide the yarn tail between the 2 fabrics. Make a single crochet. Single crochet around the edge of the fabric. When you meet the pointy part, you can increase the stitch here. For the top end of the tree, single crochet 3 times in 1 stitch here. When you reach the last stitch of 1 layer, stuff this layer with some cotton. Put the trunk in the appropriate place when you are working on the bottom edge of the tree. You can put some cotton in the corner. Insert hook through the tree and trunk. We'll change to slip stitch when we are fixing the trunk. Keep crocheting with slip stitch. After you are done with the trunk, change back to single crochet stitch to finish the rest part. Slip stitch in the first stitch in the end. Fasten off and weave in ends. We finished the tree. Part 3. Small ball. Make a magic loop first. Place 6 single crochet in the loop. Cinch up the loop. Slip stitch in the first stitch. And chain one after that. You can also crochet in continuous rounds. For round 2, make an increase in every stitch. Slip stitch. And chain one. For round 3 to 5, single crochet in every stitch. And decrease 6 times as round 6. Hide the thread and stuff in the ball before you complete. Fasten off. After that, there will be a small hole in the end of your work. Do not close it. We'll leave it for further use. Make 2 balls with your favorite color. Part 4. Assembling. Let's start the assembling part. We need to cut a piece of 40 to 60 centimeter suede cord. You can also make a chain of 60 to 80 to replace the cord. And the finished work would be like this. In the video, I'll just use this suede cord to assemble it. First, take a needle, thread it up with the cord, sew through the top stitch from the back side, and stick out through another stitch like this. Pull it out. Then, thread the needle up with another end of the cord. Sew through the tree from another side. Pull it out. Make a knot with the end of the cord. Put the knot inside the ball through the hole we left before. Then, close the finished ball. Hide the yarn tail in the ball. Break the yarn. Repeat the process with another ball. We finished our Christmas tree.